how to make your 1-minute language lessons a lot more interesting. For this short video tutorial we'll show you how you can make your 1-minute language lessons a lot more interesting. And all it takes is just one click. We designed our language lessons to be no more than 1 minute long precisely to ensure that they don't become difficult and boring to consume. Still, if you take several 1-minute language lessons in succession, and in the same exact sequence all the time, we submit that they can still get boring at some point. When this happens you will tend to stop the lessons after some time and end up never being able to learn the latter lessons in your language course. There is actually a very simple, one-click hack to solve this problem. Okay, so let's demonstrate exactly how you do this with an actual example. Let's say you have been taking our Korean language course for quite some time. Whenever you start your lessons by clicking on your course playlist, make sure to click on the playlist shuffle button. That's all you need to do and your course lessons are now served to you in a randomly different sequence every time. This simple hack will give you two immediate benefits. First, your 1-minute lessons will now be a lot more interesting because they are now presented to you in a fresh, different, and unpredictable sequence every single time. Second, and more importantly, you are no longer trapped into studying a number of the same lessons every time. Lessons are served to you randomly so you are most likely to cover and learn a lot more lessons over time, including newer lessons that are in the later parts of a course. Go and try this hack now.